In this video, you will see how you can create a WordPress website on your computer locally without a hosting plan, how you can set up the SSL certificate for the local WordPress site, and how you can share the link with your friends or colleagues when you are done with the site. Like, you will create the website on your local computer, but you can share it online with your friends. So let's get started. For this, first you need to download a software. So open your favorite browser and search for LocalWP. You will see LocalWP, this localwp.com. Here you need to download this software. Click on the download button and select your platform. So I have Windows computer, so I am selecting Windows. So fill this form. So for me, I am filling with my positive gig details and the phone number, and download the software. After the download, install the software on your computer. It's just a normal software installation. And run the software. Accept the terms of service and click on the agree button. So error reporting if you want to do it. So I am doing it. And you need to create an account. You can just continue without creating an account, but I will create an account because when I want to share the links with my friends for the local site, I need the account. So it's better to create an account. So you can create the account with your Google account. Now click on this open local button to open the account on the local site. So this is the interface of this software, LocalWP. So initially we want to make some changes on the settings. So click here and click on the preferences. Here under new site defaults, what I want to set a default email for all the site I will create with this software. So for me, I want hello@positivegeek.com. and the domain suffix. So I want to create the sites with .com. The default is .local and click on this apply button. So let's create our first website. So click on this create a new site and you need to type a domain name like for the local site. So I want to do it like my local website. And when you click on advanced option, you can see that the site will be created with mylocalwebsite.com. Don't use a blueprint. This blueprint means if you create a blueprint for with this site, all the new site will be created with the same settings you create for this site. So we don't want to use it a blueprint. And the location of the installation, like for the website, so you can select a different location on your computer to save the website and the database. So I want to go with the default location path and continue preferred. Click on the custom. You can change the PHP version, web server version, and database type. So I want to go with the default preferred setting and click on this continue button. WordPress username. So for me, I want the username to positive geek. WordPress password. I am creating a password and then WordPress email. So I have set this email on the preferences. Advanced option. Is this a WordPress multi-site? No, I don't want to create a multi-site. And click on this add site button. It will take a moment because it will download the WordPress from the internet and set up the site for you. So our site is ready, you can see here. So let's see our website. So if you click on this button open site, it will let you see the website. Or if you just click on this admin, it will let you log into the site. So let's try to log into the site. So here you can see the WordPress dashboard for the site. The first thing we want to do with the site is want to get an SSL certificate. You can see here it is not secure. So we want the site to be secure. So for that, what you need to do, you need to open your local interface and under SSL, click on this trust button. And click on the yes button on the notification. So it is now trusted. So next thing, you need to go to settings and general under your WordPress dashboard, and here the WordPress address URL add HTTPS, and also on the site address URL add HTTPS, and click on the save changes button. It will log out the site and log in again. You can see the site is now SSL secured. Click on the visit site. You can see that our website is now secured with the SSL certificate. So let's try to install a theme on the site. So under appearance and theme, add a new theme. So let's install Astra. So if you visit the site, you can see then the Astra theme is now activated. So let's install the default templates from Astra. So under appearance here, Astra option, click on this install importer plugin and start it. Here click on this build your website. So we want to go with Elementor. So here you can see all the templates offered by Astra. So this is a default. So under blog, let's try a free template. So this is the template we want to go with. You can upload the logo and all those things. You can change all these details later also. So just skip and continue. We just want to set up the site. We don't want to do anything here. So it is now installing the required themes and plugins, forms and all the things. Need to run the Astra theme. It is now ready, so it will redirect to the site. So if we click on this visit your website, view your website, you can see the complete WordPress website. The site is running on the local computer without any hosting plan. Here it is showing my local website. We can change the, let's close this previous tab. Also close this. We can change this under the settings. So if you go to settings, general, here you can see like demo site and save the changes. Now if we refresh the page, you can see the complete site here. Now you can make the changes whatever you like. You can change the content, change the pictures and all the things you want, logos. So now what we want to do, we want to share this website with the other people whom you want to see the website. So if you open the local, now you can click on this enable. Here on the live link, if you click here, you will get a link and a username and password. So click on this link. Let's see on like another browser. If you click Microsoft Edge, so here, okay, you paste the site link, it will ask you to enter the username and password. Just copy the username, paste it here, and the password and paste it here and sign in. Now you can see the site on a different browser which is on our local computer. You can share this link to anyone whom you want to see your local website. So if you want to learn how to upload the site on a live server after designing your site on a local computer, please subscribe to the channel. I will create the video for the same. And I have an article to run WordPress locally on your computer with some other software options. You can check this out also. You'll find the link of this article on the description. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel.